You can add additional backup locations to disk storage. From the Command Center navigation pane, expand Storage and select Disk. Click the disk storage where you want to add an additional backup location. To determine whether more storage is needed, you can view the total storage capacity and the total free space in the General Information provided. Click the Backup Locations tab. In the Backup Locations section, click Add. The Add Backup Location dialog box is displayed. To use an existing media agent, from the drop-down list, select the media agent that will write the data to the storage. To install a new media agent, click the plus sign. Set the disk access type, then, in the Backup Location box, type the full path name or browse and select the path to the storage location. Click Save, then Add, and your new backup location has been added to the storage pool.